Hi! Are you looking for a franchising real business that you can run for a lifetime? At magagawa mo kahit saan ka man sa mundo? Kahit nasa abroad ka, a business that you can run kahit may full-time work ka pa. A business that a real product and services na pangangailangan ng mga tao kahit anumang crisis ang dumating sa mundo. At sellable all over the globe. Ang product and services na hindi mo na kailanganin ng inventory and handling processes because everything is accessible and deliverable online. A business na hindi mo na kailangan ng hard selling kasi the moment na maturuan ka ng cutting-edge marketing, ay kusang tao na ang lalapit sa iyo para bumili. And last question, love mo ba mag-travel? How about generating cash flow while doing what you love to do? Hi, I'm Amelie Adolfo, originally from Capiz, Philippines, and I am full-time employee here in Barcelona, Spain. At the same time, I am owner of Amelie's Travel and Tour. Yes, you heard it right. I'm a full-time employee here in Barcelona, Spain. At the same time, I'm running my own business. I am making it possible because I'm strongly agree na kapag ikaw ay porsigido, walang imposible, like our kababayan are doing it because everything has been shared. Of products, services, systems, tools, and trust strategies. All done and all in one business platform na kahit wala kang alam, idea sa pagninegosyo, o kahit wala kang experience, o kahit hindi ka man nakapagtapos sa iyong pag-aaral, ay kayang-kaya mo itong gawin as long as coachable ka at willing to learn because everything is provided. Kung mayroon kang ipon pero di mo alam kung paano mo ito i-channel or kung paano mo ito palalaguin para di masayang ang pinaghirapan mong pera, well, listen to this. And yes, marami ng mga OFW na nakauwi to their family for good. At ngayon, mga business owner na din. And now that the travel boom is back, our company has decided to open it franchising to affiliate marketing program na hindi mo na kailangan pang mag-isip kung paano magsisimula because we offered you a done for your business and getting the right access. It's a very important in achieving your real breakthrough. Hindi ka lang dito bibigyan ng product, ng system, ng manuals, kundi makukuha mo rin ang guidance and support and cutting-edge marketing training para totoong matulungan ka to maximize the potential of your business. So, kung ito ang hanap mo, I would like to give you a free access to our webinar na kung saan makukuha mo ang mga importanteng detalye na kakailanganin mo para hindi mo na ma-miss ang mga special offer na mayroon ang company natin. This is the special jump start for you. If ito ang hanap mo, totoong negosyo na pwede mo mapatakbo for lifetime at pwede mo rin ipamana sa mga anak mo or kahit sa mga kaapu-apuhan mo. At pwede mo ito mapatakbo for a lifetime. A business na makakatulong para sa iyo at sa mga pamilya mo. But Take note, is not for all. It is for only a people na seryosong magnegosyo or magtagumpay sa kanyang negosyo sa pamamagitan ng pagninegosyo. So, if you are ready, once again, so kung interesado ka sa ino-offer kong negosyo, click my link below para maibigay ko na sa'yo ang free access webinar namin. Message me now. Baka hindi mo na makita ang video ito kasi we offered a limited slot only for this December. Message me now and I will speak to you soon. This is your Coach Amelie saying, never stop until you get there. Bye for now and see you the next video.